swans and the chicks of swans. You can see these birds are very lively. Now look what they are doing. Maybe they are communicating with each other in what if at all they're looking at, and look at what they maybe they are feeling. Look at them. Look at them going to beat me. Oh, fighting swan. Fight, attacked me. And now she has raised the danger alarm. It is like fight or flight. They are, they are alert, they are cautious. Obviously, because of the chicks, they are more alert, they are more cautious. And what they do is that one of them have attacked me. She was coming. I don't know whether she or he, but look at them. Again, maybe she is the mother. It seems that the one who is attacking me, trying to attack me, she is the mom of these chicks. So for that reason, she is more cautious. She is more alert. She is more protective than even the rest of these. Now they are, raising the, danger. Maybe they think that there is something not so safe. They are concerned about the safety of their chicks, and all of them are alert. They're not eating. They eat the grass and they eat the worms in the stagnant water as well. So they eat on the worms. They eat the grass. They eat the the wheat or whatever corn they could find, and maybe it is like the bird, whatever the birds eat, they eat too. Even they eat the meat as well. But something which is very interesting about these swans, or even about the rest of the ducks as well, that neither you can eat their eggs nor you can eat their meat as well. And if at all you do try eating their meat, and it will be like a mud like taste, like you are having the mud in your mouth. And even if at all you try to eat their egg, this too tastes like a mud. And it's not like the rest of the eggs. It's not like the rest of the eggs of the chicken. Look at that attacking me, running toward me. Now look at these. What are these swans doing? Maybe because they're not so familiar with me, I'm new to them. And they are very good at protecting a house. Why they are very good at protecting the house? Because they start crying, they start shouting every time some stranger their house. They raise the alarm bell, that something, and maybe they consider it the newcomer as an intruder. Maybe the newcomer is like an intruder to them. That is why me too, I'm not so welcomed here by these swans. Why? Because they are not so familiar with me, and they're not so comfortable with me. I think they will start eating only if at all I leave this place. But look at the chicks. Chicks are not worried. Chicks are not worried, and they are busy in eating the grass or whatever they could find. They are busy in all that. But look at the grown up, look at the adult, look at the older adult swans and the ducks. They are not, they don't feel themselves safe. That's why they've stopped eating, and they will stay alert. As long as I'm standing here, they will start eating only, and if at all I leave this place. And let's leave. Let's go.